Hi, I'm Chef Debbie, bringing love into your homes this evening with quick, nutritious, and wholesome recipes that will enrich your life. So let's get started. We're going to do a take on a classic, a tuna casserole, pasta of your choice, and we have a white sauce, and we're going to do some lovely aromatic changes with our tuna saute today. So how we're going to do a white sauce is basically we're going to take a little bit of butter. We're going to add some garlic to that. We're not browning the garlic, but we just want some of those natural oils to be released. So to that, we're going to add our flour. And then you're going to take your whisk and you're going to allow the melted butter, and you just want to sort of slowly add your milk. So we really want to work towards getting a really nice smooth white sauce. And in the recipe, you're going to see an option for a little white wine to finish with it. And I like to add a little bit of cream cheese. Okay, so for the tuna, we're going to start with a little bit of olive oil. Get that nice flavor going. So I'm going to add a little garlic. I'm going to add some flavoring pepper, nicely minced. We're going to add some red bell peppers for some color. We're going to add our tuna. A little bit of dried oregano, a good squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a little bit of salt to taste. Just a sprinkling of salt, and just stirring nicely. A little bit of extra oomph in this is some fresh frozen green peas to give a nice flavor. And then we're going to finish with some leaf spinach, which is really going to take this dish home and bring it to another level. And it's a great way to get the kids to eat vegetables. Just a light toss so that it's warmed through. And we're going to put it together now. So for the kids, elbow macaroni. And what I like about elbow macaroni is that with the little holes, that white sauce is just going to go right through. So we have our base, which is our pasta. Going to put a little bit of this, and we're going to finish off now with putting our wonderful tuna on top. So for people who want a little extra, and we said it is a take on tuna casserole, we are putting a little bit of cheese on top, and we're going to pop it in the oven. Okay? So again, it's quick, it's easy, it's wholesome, it's nutritious, it's delicious. And bon appetit.